Welcome back. In today's quick Telegram tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off channel message previews. If you're tired of message content popping up in your notifications and want a bit more privacy, this setting is super useful. Let's jump right in. First, open your Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. On Android, it's the three lines in the top corner, and on iPhone, you can tap your profile icon. Go ahead and tap that. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram app. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. This section controls how alerts and messages appear on your device. Now, look for the Channel option. Since we're focusing on channel notifications, tap on Channel to open its specific settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Message Previews. By default, this is usually turned on, which means Telegram shows part of the message content in your notifications. To turn off message previews, simply tap the toggle so it switches off. Once disabled, your notifications will no longer display the actual message content from channels. Instead, you'll just see that you received a message without revealing what it says. And that's it, you've successfully turned off Telegram channel message previews. This is perfect if you want more privacy, especially when your phone is in public or around others. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your app.